Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply gradient colors to shapes in Canva. If you've ever wanted your designs to pop with a little more depth and color, using gradients is a simple way to take them to the next level. Let's jump in. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you will find everything from lines and shapes to stickers and charts. For this tutorial, we're focusing on shapes. Use the search bar to type in shape, and you'll see a variety of options. To see everything available, click See All next to the Shapes category. Whether you want a circle, square, triangle, or something more intricate, Canva has you covered. Once you find the shape you like, drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can adjust the size by clicking the corners and dragging until it fits your design perfectly. Now comes the fun part. Adding a gradient. Click on your shape and then the color icon at the top toolbar. This opens the color palette. Scroll down and you'll find a section dedicated to gradients. Canva offers a variety of gradient styles. Just click one and it instantly transforms your shape with a smooth, stylish effect. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your shape now has depth and vibrancy. Gradients aren't just beautiful, they make your designs more dynamic and engaging. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and gradient combinations until you find the perfect look for your project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips. Now go ahead, add those gorgeous gradients and make your designs pop.